The Hardaddy short sleeve shirt can be worn at beaches, dressed for fishing, casually going out, and more. We're going to take out the shirt from the plastic bag that is shipped, and we're going to open up the shirt, try it on, show you what it's all about. Simple as opening up, pulling the shirt out, and the design. Ironing is simple as taking out the creases, like so. Made of polyester and spandex, 90-95% polyester. Easy to button up. Button to the collar, relaxed collar. Lightweight. A pocket to put things in. A relaxing shirt, coconut palm tree design. If you're looking for a shirt in different designs, short sleeve, different colors, Hardaddy with the polyester and spandex shirt may be right for you. They come in different styles and different sizes. Easy to iron, easy to wash. It is a shirt for all your needs. I hope you enjoy the Hardaddy coconut style shirt. Enjoy this product if it's right for you. It's really got a nice fit. It's lightweight. Very well stitched on the arms, the seams, especially the back over here. And the bottom is tapered, so it simply just lays over your jeans, khakis. And it has a label that doesn't get in the way, and it's to the side. The inside stitching, as you can see, is short, narrow, tapered just nice. The Hardaddy shirt. Nice size buttons, label on the back, and the buttons. Enjoy your Hardaddy shirt. Casual wear.